So today we're going to talk about the eukaryotic cell. Now, before we talk about the eukaryotic cell, let's talk about what builds up this eukaryotic cell. At the bottom of this complexity, we have the building blocks of life. Imagine a whole building. Now, imagine a whole building, a tall building. Before you get a tall building, you need blocks. Before you get blocks, you need cement. Before you get cement, you need minerals, limestone, and such. Now, those minerals in the position of the cell now, those are our normal elements. And elements make up the human body. Major elements in human body are oxygen, carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, calcium, and phosphorus. You can also include sulfur and phosphorus here. Other ions may include sodium ions, potassium ions, chloride ions, magnesium ions, and ion. Yeah, ion, I don't know. Ion. So your minerals come together to form cement. Same way your elements come together and form biomolecules. Example of biomolecules are your amino acids, your glucose, and your nucleotides. Also your phospholipids that are found in membrane. These biomolecules, they will bond together covalently. Because remember from your chemistry bonding, ionic bonding, covalent bonding and such, you might not need them, but you can just remember from that. They bond covalently and they form another complex, macromolecules. These macromolecules are just like the blocks of cement, the blocks of cement made from cement, because they're blocks of cement. They are the bricks, okay. These macromolecules, we have examples like of proteins from amino acids, or your DNA from nucleotides, or the phospholipid layer of membrane from phospholipids come together. And if macromolecules come together, they form supramolecular complexes. Supramolecular complexes, they include your ATP synthase from protein, your chromatin from DNA and histone protein, the membrane of cells from the phospholipids bilayer plus the proteins, transport proteins, and other proteins found there. Proteins are one of the most they're the most common substance found in the human body. Most things are made of enzymes are made of proteins, structures are made of proteins. Protein is just the structures of mostly structures of the human body. Now if your supramolecular complexes come together, they'll form an organelle. The organelles you see in cells, they'll form an organelle. Like your nucleus, eventually from chromatin, or mitochondria from complexes of your electron transport chain before you give energy. That's how you get an organelle.